So what can you expect having your first conversation after an accident with a personal injury attorney? Particularly me, because we all are our own little weird, anal retentive, idiosyncratic beasts. So we all handle things a little bit differently. But you can generally assume, it's my GPS talking, of course. You can assume there are going to be a couple of basics that you're going to go over. You're going to go over what happened, who was involved, if you know, when it happened, where it happened, how it happened. You're going to go over your injuries, what's going on with you. Depending on the attorney, they may handle the property damage portion of your claim as well and help you with that. I know I do that for some of my clients. So they may talk to you about your vehicle or your motorcycle or whatever was involved in the accident and what's going on with that. They're going to ask you probably about your health insurance and what kind of health insurance you have, because that's going to make a big difference in how the claim is handled. They're also going to ask you about your auto insurance, because at least in Virginia, most people have underinsured or uninsured motorist provisions. And once the liability policy is exhausted, if our client is still owed some compensation, then we flip over to their coverage under their own policy. So those are kind of the basic foundational questions and some of the information that an attorney is going to ask on the first meeting, just to figure out the best way to get the case started and appropriate next steps.